Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Laksmy and I am back with another video. So this video today is going to be my unbagging of the Ipsy Glam bag for the month of December. Now I did not open the bag like I normally do. I'm sorry for the noise. I did not open the bag like I normally do every month and peek in to see what is what's in there and then tell you guys. Even though I haven't been consistent filming these, I do get them every month. It's just sometimes I'm just not in the mood, and then when I get them I already have makeup on. It's a lot. But I actually just got right out of work and I came straight home. I checked my mail and this guy was in there. So I'm gonna I literally just sat down here still wearing my work clothes, and I'm gonna just wing this video because if I keep procrastinating, I'm never gonna film it. So if you guys wanna watch my unbagging of the Ipsy Glam bag for December 2018, then stay tuned. Okay guys, so you know, the bag always comes in this nice little fuchsia, what is this called? I can never remember the name of things. Like foiled, I guess, hot pink foiled bag. It's like basically glued shut. So I actually got some scissors and I'm gonna cut this puppy open. Is it me or my lights are like blinking? I don't know. I paid my lab bills, you guys, so don't even try. Okay, so this is what's in the bag. This is the bag for this month, and it's a gold sequence bag, as you guys can see. It feels bigger than the other bags that I normally get. Let me see if I can find a comparison. I actually have all my bags in this drawer. This is one of the bags. Oh, you know what? No, they're actually the same size. This one was like a bit smaller. This one was for last month, but I didn't do an unbagging for this one. Sorry, you guys, but look, it's cute. Anyway, yeah, it's basically gold sequins in the front, and then it has a black sort of leather feel in the back, and then it has the Ipsy logo. It has a nice little tassel zipper. Did you guys notice how I actually remembered the name for this? Because last time I didn't. Anyway, I think it's my ring light that's flickering like that. I might have smacked it or dropped it or something. Oop. Yeah, I actually want to get myself a new ring light, maybe a smaller one, because mine's is so big. And my sister has the same brand by Newer, whatever it's called, and she had the smaller one and it's more concentrated, and I think I want to get myself that one because I don't know, it's just better for traveling if I want to, you know, keep a ring light in my car for whatever reason. You gotta be prepared for this. Anyway, opening the bag, the first thing in the bag is going to be this little card right here. It says, be merry, be bright, be bold, be you. And yeah, in the bag it has a bunch of stupid things that I don't really care about, so let's toss that around. First item in the bag is going to be this makeup brush by Farah. I've never heard of that brand. This brush though, whoa, okay. This is what the brush looks like. I like this little handle right here, and I like that it's gold, and it feels very like easy to use. So soft, and it's very, very lightweight. I don't know if it's plastic or that fake wood that they use, but it feels very, very lightweight. I really, really like this brush. I might have to look into this brand because I've never heard of them before. Let's put that aside. That I think is like a full-size item. If I didn't give you guys any disclosure about the Ipsy Glam bag, I've done it in the videos before. Ipsy is basically like a monthly subscription beauty bag, and you get 5 to 6 trial size items or products for you to try out. And you know, if you want to get them full size, you can always go to ipsy.com and then purchase them full size for a discount. And it's $10 a month, and you get one every month. So they normally send you only trial size products, but this is not really a trial size. Or maybe they just sent you one brush, so it could be a trial size. I don't know, but I like this. Second item in the bag is going to be this guy right here. This is a really cute purple. This is a brightening purple clay mask by Generation Clay. Look at me smelling this, and it has a little, y'all know I'm special, so I'm not even gonna even try at this point to excuse myself. There's levels to me, clearly. And these long nails are making this so hard. Okay. So it's a clay mask, like it says. I'm gonna just put this or swatch it or apply it to the back of my hand because I'm not gonna put it on my face right now. I have makeup on and I have to film other videos after this one. But basically this is how it looks. Oh my God, it smells like my grandmother. That's so wrong. It doesn't smell bad. It just smells like grandmother perfume, if it makes any sense. It dries really fast, and I think it's drying to like a white, pasty like shade. I don't know how to explain it. Then again, it's clay, so I think clay naturally dries white. Do I have any wipes? Alrighty. Oh yeah, look at that. It's definitely getting white. So yeah, this basically is just a clay mask to help brighten your skin. I've never heard of this brand before, and I've never tried a clay mask like this. I normally get the clay mask that you have to basically like mix yourself. So I have the Aztec clay mask, I think that's the name, and you mix it either with water, or you can use moisturizer, or you can use apple cider vinegar, which is what I like to use because it's better for acne. So I'm gonna try this out and let you guys know how I feel about this little guy. Moving on to the third item in the bag is going to be this kid right here. I'm gonna open this just to see what it is because the name doesn't really say much. It says, it's by the brand Nomad. It says Round the World. And it seems to be a powder. I have never heard of the brand Nomad either, so I'm very new to a lot of these brands. The good thing about having these kind of subscriptions is that you can always discover new brands that you never, knew they were out there or you never knew you'd love. Okay, so this is like an eyeshadow and it's like a nice little purple. Actually, it's like a periwinkle, maybe a little bit darker than a periwinkle. That is so cute. Alrighty. Let me go ahead and swatch this for you guys to see. Excuse me if I'm looking away from the camera hole. The thing is that my phone is, of course, black and I can't see the camera hole. So I'm looking at myself on the screen as I am talking to you guys. But let me swatch this guy for you. Whoa, that is pretty. That is so pretty. Yeah, this is like a holographic purple shade. And it's very, very smooth. It's very, very milky. Honestly, I feel like if you like diffuse it, you could use it as a highlighter. I like that. It has shimmer in it. Again, this is by the brand Nomad. And it is the shade Kofa Moonlight. I don't know, Moonlight? I don't even know. It has a weird name. So yeah, that's cute. I might do a nice little makeup look with this guy. Moving on to the next product in the bag is going to be this. I am so excited for this. I didn't know if I was gonna get this. I did see somebody do an unbagging and they got this. I don't know if everybody gets the same stuff every month, but this is the HEYYYY, I don't know if I'm saying it right, HEYYYY Hair Care Scalp and Body Scrub. And this is, of course, a small size. I'm sure this comes in a way bigger jar. Oh my God, you guys. Smells so good. And I can't even put like a scent to, like I can't even put a name to the scent. It just smells so clean. Let me try this out. It's so like soft. I'm sorry, I have like my really long nails and I don't want to grab too much of it. This is what it looks like on the inside. So it's a scrub, so it has a lot of like little scrubbing. I don't know if I'll call them scrubbing grains because I don't know what to call them. I don't know if it's sugar or if it's something else, but this is what it looks like. Ooh, that feels really good. I think it is sugar. It looks like sugar. I don't know. So you can use this on your scalp and you can use this on your body. Right now, I'm currently hooked on the Shea Moisture body scrubs, but I am always down for like new stuff. Oh my gosh, this is not even, oh my God, this is insane. I really want to get myself a big jar of this because this is awesome. This little bit is only gonna take like, it's gonna maybe scrub one leg. I need to get me the full size of this because it smells really, really good. Oh, I think that might be my favorite item of the bag. All right, guys, so moving on to the 5th item in the bag is gonna be this guy right here. And this is a nude eyeshadow from The Balm Cosmetics. I don't think I have ever purchased anything from The Balm Cosmetics. The Balm, not The Balm. This is so cute. Look at the little packaging that it has. This is what it looks like from the back. And you literally just open it up like that and then the eyeshadow's right there. This is a really nice eyeshadow. It's like a brown burgundy, but it's a shimmery shade. It's not a matte shade. You guys, come on. That is like the perfect fall color right there. That's really nice. What is the shade? I think the shade is called Bootylicious. And I can definitely agree. That is gorgeous. This is gonna be like my go-to color for the and like the rest of the fall because this color is beautiful. I love colors like this. So this is from the Nude Beach Volume 3. I don't know if there's an actual palette or if this is just like the one color and they come individually, because if it does, then this is awesome that I got this in this bag. Alright, you guys, so in this bag, we actually got 6 items this month. This has got to be like my favorite bag yet because we never really get that many things like that. So I'm excited. 6th and last item of the bag is gonna be this Glitter Flip lipstick. I'm not sure if it's a liquid lipstick. I'm not sure. It's by Ciate. I think that's how you pronounce it. We had this issue before with my other Ipsy Glam bag, and I don't know if I pronounced it properly when I got the highlighter from Ciate or Ciate. Let's go by Ciate because whatever. It's a mini glitter flip. I think it's a lip gloss. And this one is in the color Infamous. This is what it looks like. It's so cute. I actually have a lip color on right now, but I'm gonna take it off just for the purpose of this video. I'm gonna grab my handy dandy Neutrogena makeup remover wipes, and I'm gonna take this Kim Kardashian and Kylie collaboration lipstick off. All right, you guys, so first I'm gonna swatch it in the back of my hand just to show you guys the swatch. And then I'm gonna try on this color. Wow, this is a makeup product that really does not smell like anything. Like it has no scent whatsoever. How could you not have any scent on something? That's crazy. Ooh, this is different. You know what I'm scared of? That this might end up being an actual like liquid eyeshadow instead of a lipstick, because the way that it looks is very sheer. Let me make sure before I give you guys the wrong information, because it's a liquid lipstick. It's a matte liquid lipstick. Okay. Well, it's not a matte liquid lipstick. It's a transforming glitter liquid lipstick. So it's a lipstick. It's not an eyeshadow. Good. But then again, you know, if you want to be curious with makeup and just try new things, you can always apply it on your lid. I do it all the time, so you know, there's no judging when it comes to doing your makeup. Okay, let's pop this sucker on. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's freshly applied. I don't know how I feel about this color. I really do not like it. I don't really like it. I might just pass this on to somebody, maybe give it to my sister or one of my best friends, because it's not really my favorite color. And I don't like the formula on this liquid lipstick either. All right, you guys, so that basically finishes up the video of today. Let me know what you guys think about this video. If you like videos like this, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And please send me more suggestions of what videos you guys would like to see next. I would love to hear what you guys think and what you guys want to see. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye.